Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the Wells Fargo Signify Business Cash Card, a popular option for small business owners looking to earn cash back on their everyday expenses. I'll go over everything from its features and fees to pros and cons, and finally I'll offer a few alternatives to consider. So if you're a business owner trying to find the right card for your needs, stay tuned. The Wells Fargo Signify Business Cash Card is designed with simplicity and value in mind for small to mid-sized businesses. This card caters to business owners who need an uncomplicated reward structure and some flexible features without the weight of an annual fee, which is a major plus in the business credit card space. The primary focus of this card is cashback rewards. Unlike some other business cards, there are no restrictions or rotating categories to manage, just a flat, steady cashback rate across all purchases. This simplicity makes it ideal for businesses that spend consistently across various expense types and prefer the ease of a flat rate return on their spending. The card also offers tools specifically geared toward helping business owners manage expenses and track spending across their teams. You can issue employee cards without spending limits, making it easy to allocate funds for different departments or team members and monitor purchases without needing to go through a detailed receipt-by-receipt check. Thus, Wells Fargo's account management tools make expense tracking efficient, which can be a huge time saver for owners and accountants alike. Now let us talk about the main features. What are the key features that make this card unique? Let's break it down. Cashback rewards. This card offers 2% cashback on every dollar spent on qualified purchases. This is a straightforward reward structure perfect for business owners who want to maximize cashback without worrying about complicated spending categories. What's great is that your cashback rewards can be redeemed in a variety of ways, like statement credits or even direct deposits. No annual fee. One big plus here is that the Signify Business Cash Card has no annual fee. Many business cards come with a hefty fee in exchange for rewards, but here you get the cashback rewards without the extra cost. Introductory APR offer. For new cardholders, Wells Fargo provides an introductory 0% APR on purchases for the first 9 months. After that, the variable APR applies. This can be very useful if you plan on making some larger business purchases initially and want to pay them off over time without incurring interest. Built-in business tools. Wells Fargo offers various tools for business management. You can assign each employee their own card, set spending limits, and track their purchases easily. This kind of control is particularly helpful for businesses managing multiple employees and needing transparency in spending. Account alerts and security. With this card, you also get access to real-time account alerts, allowing you to stay updated on your account status and flag any suspicious activity quickly. Plus, Wells Fargo provides zero liability protection for unauthorized transactions, so your business stays protected against fraud. Now let us talk about the pricing. While this card has no annual fee, other charges apply. Here's a breakdown. Balance transfer fee. 3% of the transferred amount with a minimum of $5. Foreign transaction fee. 3% of any purchase made outside of the United States, so it's best suited for businesses that operate mainly within the US. Late payments. Up to $40 if you miss a payment due date. After the 0% APR period, a variable APR between 17.99% to 25.99% will apply based on your credit worthiness. So it's key to pay off any large purchases before the intro rate expires to avoid high interest charges. Now let us talk about the pros and cons of the Wells Fargo Signify Business Cash Card. First, we talk about the pros. Simple cashback structure. The 2% cashback on all purchases makes it straightforward for users to earn rewards. No annual fee. No annual cost is great for businesses looking to maximize value. 0% introductory APR on purchases. The 12-month intro APR provides flexibility for larger initial expenses. Employee cards and spending controls. You can give employee cards and monitor their spending, which is ideal for tracking expenses. How about the cons of using this card? Foreign transaction fee. If your business involves frequent international travel, this 3% fee may add up. Limited cashback rates compared to competitors. While 2% cashback is good, other business cards may offer higher rates in certain categories. Higher standard APR. Once the introductory APR ends, the variable APR could be quite high, especially for users with average credits. So, is the Wells Fargo Signify Business Cash Card best for small businesses? Well, the answer depends on what your business needs are. If you're looking for a no-fuss, straightforward cashback card with no annual fee, this one could be an excellent choice. The simplicity of earning 2% cashback on all purchases is ideal for business owners who don't want the hassle of tracking bonus categories. Plus, the 0% APR intro period can help with initial spending if you're just starting out or making one-time purchases for growth. However, businesses with more complex spending needs or international expenses might find some limitations, like the foreign transaction fee or lack of bonus categories. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore American Express Blue Business Cash Card, Chase Inc. Business Cash Credit Card, and Capital One Spark Cash Plus. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.